We all have regrets. That one time, what if I had bought Bitcoin? Or told my mom, I love you more often before she passed? Money, love, career, people, we've all been there. So I started wondering, is there a better way to choose? Not just based on luck or gut feelings, but something more me, something I won't regret later. Then I found the work of Cass Sunstein, Harvard professor, 30 years studying choices. He said something powerful. Regret-free living doesn't start with the right choice. It starts with the way you choose. Not, what path should I take? But, what kind of chooser am I? Today, I'll share his insights. Short, clear, and it might just change how you decide forever. Chapter 1. Why we regret our choices. Let me ask you this. Ever stayed at a job too long? You hated it, but you kept saying, just a little more. Or hesitated on an investment, then bought at the top, sold at the bottom? In dating, not sure if they're right, but still said, let's see where it goes? You're not alone, and it's not random, because here's the truth. We all have decision patterns. We think we're deciding carefully, but deep down, we often choose the same way. Every time. When we're anxious, we delay. When we're stuck, we act on impulse. So what do we do? Cass Sunstein suggests this. Before deciding what, decide how you'll decide. He calls it the second decision strategy, and it comes in 3 simple forms. 1. The rule strategy. Set a rule. Stick to it. Because when emotions waver, rules keep you grounded. Example, if I work late for more than 3 months, I start looking for a new job. If a stock drops over 10%, I sell. No hesitation. You don't overthink. You follow the rule. That's power. 2. The small step strategy. Try before you commit. Break it down. Make it safe. Move in baby steps. Live together before marriage. Test that job for 1 month. Try the gym for a week before signing for 3. Instead of overthinking, just start small, then decide. You don't fully understand something until you've tried it. 3. The delegation strategy. You don't have to decide everything. Sometimes, trust someone else. Let your trainer make your workout. Let your partner choose dinner. Let your finance-savvy friend manage the stocks. Less pressure, more clarity. Sometimes, trust is your strategy. So let's recap. Better decisions come from rules, small steps, and delegation, or your own method, because how you choose shapes who you become, and even a bad decision can be fuel for the next. Chapter 2, the 3 questions you must ask. But let's go deeper. Sometimes, even these strategies don't work. Big life moments hit. Should I leave my job or start my own thing? Stay in this relationship or move on? Should I get married? Have a kid? These aren't A or B choices. They're really asking, who do I want to become? And that's hard, because the current me doesn't know the future me. So when you're stuck, ask this, will this choice make my life better? Or is it just too much for me right now? And here's how to answer. 1. Comfort. Does this choice make my daily life feel lighter? Am I excited on Mondays? Can I breathe easy? Be myself? 2. Meaning. Does this make me a better person? Does it align with my values? Am I proud of the person I become through this? 3. Psychological richness. Does it expand me? Make me more curious? Give me stories to tell? Is my world getting bigger? These 3 questions, they are your compass, especially in the moments where no strategy seems to work. Conclusion, choose how to choose. For a long time, I obsessed over the choice. Why did I do that? If I could go back. But the regret grew. The mistakes kept happening. Then something shifted. I asked, how did I make that decision? What was my process? My mindset? My emotion? And slowly, I started feeling less shaken, less regretful. So here's my message to you. Even if you never read the book, just remember this one thing. Don't just decide what to choose. Decide how you'll choose it. That one sentence could change your next big decision. And make it one you don't regret. Thanks for watching. Whatever direction you take, I hope your first step is steady. You've got this.